In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. If you also want to learn how, then make sure you watch this video until the end, and let's get straight into it. Now, if you don't know what public profiles are, they are the profiles which show up on this stories section right here, and if you scroll down you can see all of these are public profiles. To add and create your own public profile, you can tap on the profile icon on the top left and then scroll down from here where you'll have an option of Spotlight and Snap Map. You can tap on the options and there you'll have an option of create public profile. Some people also should be able to see it right here, but if you don't, you can always tap on options and then tap on create public profile. Now it's going to show you what you can do with public profile. Tap on continue and tap on create. Now as soon as you complete that, you can see that the my public profile section has been added. Now you can tap on it and then adjust your public profile according to your likings. You can add in covers, you can add in spotlights and many more options. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.